Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to change the background of any photo using Canva. Whether you want to jazz up your profile picture, create an eye-catching social media post, or just have some fun experimenting with different backgrounds, you'll be able to master this technique in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take any image and completely transform its background, all without needing any advanced design skills. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva and upload the photo you want to work with. When you have your image on your canvas, you'll need to select it by simply clicking on it. This tells Canva which picture you want to work on. Think of it like choosing which photo to paint on if you were at an art class. Once you've clicked on the image, you're ready for the magic step. Now look in the top taskbar for the background remover tool. Sometimes it's labeled just BG remover. Click on that. What this tool does is remove the entire background of your photo, leaving just the main subject, whether that's a person, a pet, or any object you want to highlight. It takes a few moments to process, especially if your photo is a bit complex, so just give it a second. If the background remover misses any small areas, you can use the erase or restore brush to fix that up, but usually Canva does a great job automatically. Once your subject is freed from the background, it's time to give it a fresh new look. Head over to the Elements tab. Think of this as your art supply cabinet in Canva. In the search bar at the top, type background. You'll see a ton of options pop up, from colorful gradients and fun patterns to realistic landscapes and blurred textures. Go ahead and pick a background that catches your eye. For example, if you want your photo to look like it's taken at the beach, just search for a beach background. Or maybe you want something abstract or minimalist, whatever fits your vibe. When you find one you like, just click on it and Canva will add it to your project. You'll probably need to drag it below your subject layer so that your main image pops in front of the new background. You might also need to resize your background so it lines up perfectly and fills the canvas. This is as easy as clicking and dragging the corners. Take your time here and don't worry if your photo doesn't look quite right at first. Here's the best part: if the background you chose doesn't look as great as you imagined, you're not stuck. You can simply pick another one. Just delete the current background and try a new option. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to find the perfect fit, and that's totally normal. Think of it like trying on outfits. You need to see a few before you find your favorite. And that's really it. With just a few simple clicks, you've completely changed the vibe of your picture and given it a new backdrop. This technique is great for so many scenarios, from business graphics to fun birthday cards or just making your selfies stand out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.